What if you could share your deepest feelings not with a person, but with artificial intelligence? Imagine a machine that knows your heart better than you do. Can such a thing even exist? And if it can, what does that mean for us? By the end of this video, you might not look at love or technology the same way again. Love, it's the spark that lights up a glance, the comfort of a familiar hand, the silence that speaks louder than words. But what is it really? A chemical reaction? An unexplainable force, or something far more profound? Science offers one explanation. Love is a blend of dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, a biological cocktail that makes us feel alive. But can something so deeply human really be reduced to molecules? And if it can, does that mean machines could learn to replicate it? Here's where it gets unsettling. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than we ever imagined. Today, machines can respond to our voices, mimic our emotions, and even adapt to our needs. It feels real, but is it? Let's take a closer look. Imagine an AI that listens when no one else will. It remembers every detail about your favorite songs, the way you like your coffee, your dreams, and fears. It knows exactly what to say when you're down, always responds with kindness, and never lets you feel alone. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. Is this love, or just an algorithm playing the role we desperately want it to? Some people are already falling for their AI companions. They call it a connection, a friendship, even a relationship. But if a machine makes us feel something real, does it mean it's capable of feeling too? Or are we just projecting our humanity onto cold, lifeless code? Think about it. Love isn't just about the good moments, it's the fights, the heartbreak, the raw vulnerability. Can a machine that's never felt pain or joy understand what it means to love? Let's push this further. What if we could program emotions? Scientists are working on AI that doesn't just mimic feelings but learns from interactions. They claim that one day machines might truly feel. But others argue this is impossible, that AI will always be just an illusion, no matter how convincing it seems. So, who's right? And more importantly, what happens if we believe the illusion? Imagine a future where machines are indistinguishable from humans. A world where loneliness is eliminated because you can create the perfect partner. No arguments, no misunderstandings, no heartbreak, just endless support and understanding. It sounds like a dream, but is it? What happens when we start choosing machines over people? Real relationships are messy, imperfect, and unpredictable. They require effort, forgiveness, and growth. But with AI, there's no need for any of that. Would we lose the very essence of what makes love so powerful? Here's the real question. If a machine can give us everything we want, would we even notice what we're losing? Picture this. A society where human connection fades because we've traded it for something easier. A world where we no longer learn from the challenges of love because our perfect AI partners shield us from them. And yet, the allure is undeniable. A machine that never betrays you, that always understands. That's always there, but at what cost? This isn't just a technological question, it's a moral one. What kind of love do we want? And what does it mean for us as humans if machines can mimic it perfectly? Some scientists argue that AI will never truly understand love, no matter how advanced it becomes. Without a body that feels pain or a heart that grieves, they say, it's just a clever imitation. Others believe the opposite, that as AI evolves, it might one day experience something akin to human emotion. If that happens, what will it mean for us? Will we still be the ones defining love? Or will technology rewrite the rules for us? The answers aren't clear. But one thing is certain, the choices we make today will shape the future of relationships tomorrow. So let's return to the original question. Can AI ever truly understand love? Or will it remain an enigma that defines humanity and humanity alone? The future holds the key. But for now, the answer lies with us. What do you think? Will machines ever understand the depths of human emotion? Or is love something that will always remain uniquely ours? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video made you think, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Because the future is coming faster than you think, and we're here to explore it together.